Isang malungkot na gabi ang naganap sa huling gabi ni Miss Jacqueline Jose. Pinangunahan nga ito ng pamilya ni Miss Jacqueline.
Eugene, lumaki kami magkasama sa lahat ng bagay. Hanggang sa nag-artista ako, kabuntod ko yan kasi maliit na tao tapos ako mataas. Mas sa pagtatrabaho ko, mas una siya nakagraduate kaysa sa akin.
Isa siyang ninang at nanay sa lahat ng tao sa paligid niya, and we've heard all those beautiful stories about her. Noong bata ako, lumalaki ako, yung mga kapatid ko nagkakaroon ng ninang ang dami. 4, nauso na, 6 yung ninang, 7 yung ninang.
Pinaabot din ng malalapit kay Ma'am Jacqueline na sina Jake Ejercito at Claudine Barreto ang kanilang huling mensahe kay Miss Jacqueline Jose.
Blouse I got on sale. I cried until my ears were hot, and I cried until my head was hurting so bad that I could hardly see the pile of soiled tissues lying on the floor at my feet. I want you to understand, I had myself a really good cry yesterday. Yesterday I cried for all the days that I was too busy, or too tired, or too mad to cry.